world. My name is Charldyn Valcin. You already know. I'm not only the host, I'm your host. I'm in Cancun hosting this wedding. I thank the Lord for the gift. You know, without God, I wouldn't be here. And I'm not only the host, I'm your host.
So, it's my pleasure to introduce our host for tonight. He's one of the funniest men I know. He's also an actor. Please give it up for the one and only, Charldyn Valcin!
Alright. My name is Charldyn Valcin. I'm not only the host, I'm your host for tonight.
Hey. Give it up for Charldyn, man. Please give it up for this guy, man. He worked hard tonight. He did things that I didn't even ask him to do, like dancing this dude's crazy, man. But give it up for him, support him. Like I said, he's an up-and-coming comedian, actor. Support his work. What you got coming out? You got a movie coming out, man? Come on.
I got a couple of movies coming up. You know, I'm filming October the 25th. But just be on the lookout, man. You know, but one thing, everything that you do, just put God first, and He'll take care of everything. I promise. I'm a living testimony. I promise. That's what you got to do. And that's all.
Now, the reason that you guys are here tonight is because you guys are the chosen ones. Because you guys are special to the couples. Yes? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So that means our job is to make sure they have fun tonight. Our job is to make sure they're smiling. Our job is to make sure we turned up like the kids say. We got turned up tonight, all right? So, if you're ready to have fun tonight, say, ay, ay, ay. I don't know. See, hold on a second. Moi, please go with bola, but go with your pijama station. I don't understand. They turned up this side. What's up with this side over there? If you're ready to have fun and enjoy yourself tonight, say, ay, ay, ay.
So much fun at a wedding, I swear. If that host wasn't here, I wouldn't be here. If Charldyn wasn't here, I wouldn't be here. I'm walking in the wedding. And if I heard he wasn't coming, I wasn't coming. He's your host. He's your host. I'm not just saying that he's my brother. I love the kid. He's great.
This is Charldyn's wedding? Are you sure? I thought Charldyn's wedding.
Yeah, he's getting married.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here. That's why we're here.
Every wedding is his wedding. I don't know.
I got it, girl, because of Charldyn. Just because he was there. If you single man, come to Charldyn when he hosts. He will get you right.
My name is Charldyn Valcin. I'm not only the host, I'm your host. Tell a friend, you tell a friend. All the Lord knows for God.